Refractory-lined expansion joint. A refractory-lined expansion joint is an assembly used in a pipeline to allow it to expand and contract as climate conditions move from hot to cold and helps to ensure that the system remains functional. The refractory lining can be vibracast insulation with anchors, abrasion-resistant refractory in hex mesh, gunned insulating refractory, or poured insulating refractory. Refractory-lined expansion joints can be hinged, in-line pressure balanced, gimbal, tied universal depending on the temperature, pressure, movement, and flow media conditions. Refractory-lined expansion joints are used in extremely high temperature and high pressure applications and are designed to withstand extreme environments. The refractory lining within the metallic expansion joint bellows functions to reduce the pipe wall temperature by 300 at F to 450 at F, depending upon the thickness of the refractory lining. The lining also helps to withstand the abrasive material from the catalyst in FCCU applications. Applications: fluid catalytic cracking units FCCU, furnaces, hot gas turbines, styrene plants, fluidized bed boilers, kilns, power recovery trains, thermal oxidizers, references